Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my new other video. I hope you will be fine. Today this video we will learn a letter. The topic of letter is write a letter to your friend congratulating her on her birthday. Examination hall, comma, city A dot B dot C dot August 31st, comma 2023 dot my dear friend, comma it is wonderful day for you because this day you were born. I have just received your birthday card. Thank you very much for your invitation card on your birthday party. I am very happy to congratulate you on your birthday. I am sorry that I cannot attend this function because of illness of my sister. However, comma, I have sent you by post. I hope you will receive it today. I wish that may every succeeding year bring you happiness and success. May God protect you all kinds of calamities. Yours sincerely, comma X dot Y dot C dot. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to watch my new other videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.